The hell we got going on here?
Well, we're working on Mr. Schambach's car tonight. Not the one we picked up the other week or month or 6 months ago.
That was a while
long
ago.
It was, but this one. So we'll see what we have going on in a little bit.
Oh, we started on the wrong wheel.
To the other side.
What do you mean you started on the wrong wheel?
Is that one still has the...
Oh, has the fender liner in it? Tisk, tisk. Yeah, it's gonna get dark and it's gonna rain.
It's gonna rain!
Well, that was fast. Woo!
Just gonna do this for about 10 minutes and then we'll be good again.
Yeah, I hit something like that on the way here.
Damn, I'm about to run out of beer. Paul gets defensive. Okay, well, we will check back in if this ever ends. Hopefully it does, because that car's on jack stands.
20 minutes later. Much later.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the CAR-NIVORES YouTube channel. We are hungry for cars. I'm Justin. We've got Paul, Jacob, and Ben out here today in the shitty weather, which I'm sure you already saw. And we're actually going to get you a video after all, hopefully. If nothing else gets worse. So the goal is to roll the fenders on the Banana Lancer. That's what I'm calling it. Maybe a Minion in the future, but we'll see. We were going to do both cars, but it's probably not going to happen now. So we just need to get him out of here because he is about 50 minutes away from here. Came all this way.
All this way for a thunderstorm just to
For a fucking storm to hit. All right, everybody. So we've got an Eastwood fender roller.
Yep.
How much does this cost?
It's like 80 bucks, I think. Maybe a little cheaper than that.
$80.
Approximately.
If you never use one of these things, it's really simple. You just take the wheel off, you bolt it on right onto the hub using the same lug studs, and then all you have to do is adjust a couple knobs, get it to where you need it to go, and then you can, oh, you probably want to pull out the fender liner.
Yeah, luckily there's no fender liner in the back. So.
And then all this is for is to bend that
this
lip.
You don't want to force it out, because you'll learn the hard way, like I did the first time I used this. You'll crinkle your fenders. But luckily my car's a beater, so it was a good one to practice on.
Yeah.
This car is also kind of a beater.
So
It's a
good
good
one.
second
This
one
is
to practice on.
This is the epitome of a beater. But at least it's getting treated to some nice wheels, because the old ones...
A real pain in the ass.
How bad of a pain in the ass?
The biggest pain in the ass.
The biggest.
I'll get a
That's-
video of it
that's-
one time.
that's a
you
lot
guys gotta
coming-
see this wheel.
that's a
'cause
lot
it
coming from
blew the
you.
backside out of the wheel completely.
Oh god. What'd you hit, a pothole?
Yeah, and it wasn't even a bad one.
It wasn't even a bad oh my god, this sucks. These aren't the stock ones, are they?
No, these are aftermarket.
These are aftermarket?
Yeah.
You still have the stock ones, don't you?
The OZ stock wheels somewhere.
Somewhere? Not here.
They probably got sold at a yard sale or something.
A yard sale by your parents?
Yeah, they were stored for a while. I never actually drove the car with the stock wheels on it ever.
Oh, okay. I gotta tilt the camera. It's so tall. So our buddy Ben here has been riding on junkyard tires for shit, the entire lifespan?
Like
Huh?
a year.
Only a year?
Just about a year.
How many gears do you skip?
Just one.
Just the one? How many tickets do you get? Let's not talk about that. Let's not talk about it.
Keep that on the DL.
He's talking about painting his next car silver because this one brings him too much attention. The cops know who he is.
Don't say my name. They're looking for me.
Anyway, let's look at the new wheels. What are you trying to fit in here?
Got some XXR wheels.
XXRs?
Yes, sir. Some 527s. They're a 16-inch wheel, 8 inches wide. Got a 215/50 R16 on them.
What are you coming from a what?
Coming from a 17x7 with 205 45s on them.
Oh man, it's gonna feel like a whole new
A
car.
little more beef on the wheels.
Square setup all the way around.
Oh yeah.
What made you go with black? Just goes well with the
Looks
banana.
Easy. Yeah. Exactly.
You got springs on this thing?
Mm-hmm.
What you got?
Some, I don't know how to say it. T-E-I-N. Tane.
Oh,
Tine.
Tine.
One of those.
Time,
One of
the
above.
little spark plug guy.
Yeah.
Sparky, the spark plug.
Yeah. Just a
And
little
they make
extended-
suspensions.
Yeah.
Hey, you got some quality coils on this thing. You probably oh wait, no, the other one's got, your other banana's got nicer stuff coming in, don't it? Okay. Always read the directions, kids.
Mm-hmm.
The destructions.
The destructions.
We are destructing.
Did you read all of it?
I've read none of it.
Ah. It's one of those, mine went blank when I looked at it.
Yeah, kind of.
Don't do too tight. You just want to, because you don't really need to be complete pressure. You need to be able to move it side to side pretty easily. Yeah. And then you'll start to see the metal bend. Yeah, don't go to the bumper. Especially if it's that loose. And you just kind of keep going. Just go back and forth.
I feel like a crazy person doing this a little bit.
It's kind of weird. It's a weird tool. I mean, we could just get a hammer, you can hit it. I mean, that's up to you though.
Crinkle the metal a little bit.
Just fuck it completely. If you're careful, it does the same thing.
You gotta be really good at it.
Gotta have a keen eye.
Trying to adjust it, I can't tell.
Is it? No, just keep going. Just keep going until it just doesn't feel like it's doing anything.
And it feels relatively easy this way.
So now you're gonna wanna, I think it's, you incline it and you need to tilt the wheel a little bit more. So the pitch of the wheel is your desired metal pitch. So remember that. So eventually you want it to be straight up.
Yeah.
But don't see, you see you're getting all this flex up here. When you come across, this is starting to move up here, and that's what you don't want. Because right now you're putting pressure this way.
Which way do I need to put pressure?
So you need to put pressure this way, but on that lip. So right now you're hitting here and pushing up.
Gotcha, okay. So I need to adjust the angle of this head.
Yeah.
Gotcha. That's what you're talking about, cracking paint, huh?
Mm-hmm. I got a heat gun. We can warm it up a little bit, soften the metal and the paint a little bit.
Think it'd do much.
Because right now you got paint cracking.
As long as I take care of it before it starts rusting, right?
Yeah.
Or just, you know, act like it never happened and ignore it. It's up to you though.
Not a problem if you ignore it, right?
Not a problem if you're fucking ignorant.
When you hear weird noises, just turn the radio up, right?
Cut the exhaust shorter.
Just kept getting louder and louder.
I don't fucking know what it's talking about, man. I can't hear shit in that damn car.
All right, so we think we've got to a point. It's not exactly completely flat under here, but you can't see anything anyway. So getting tired over there?
No. That thing pokes.
Mm-hmm.
Get you some fender flares.
I hate fender flares with a passion. I think we're good, boys.
Yeah.
So I'd call that a success.
Yeah. Heck yeah. At least it's not sharp anymore.
Mm-hmm. If it scrubs, it won't cut.
That's for sure.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Here, let me get in there. Bounces. When it comes up, I think you're gonna be okay.
I think we're good, dude.
Let's find out.
And hey, if I need to roll them more, I need to roll them more.
Yeah, I would. If you can, when you get home, throw the other wheel on the other side.
Just ride around.
Ride
a little
around.
bit.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do that in the morning.
Yeah.
Because by the time I get home, it will be
11.
It's 9:21.
Yeah. So. All right. Well, let's pop it off and get some wheels back on, and we'll drop her down, and we'll have a good night.
That's how much it rained today.
This little Dairy Queen cup was empty, and it's probably at least 3.5 or 4 inches tall, and it's almost to the brim. It's got about ½ inch from the brim. Yeah, it rained like 3.5 inches.
Woo. Shit, that's like 4.
Yeah, probably.
That's easy 4.
Wow.
Fucking nuts. Anyway, car's back on the ground. Luckily we were able to get some kind of video out for you guys. But if you enjoyed the content, like and subscribe. Whatever. Y'all have a good one. Jacob put a light bar on the bottom of his truck instead of fixing his reverse lights. I say it works pretty good. Still runs with something.